I've been seeing this craze all over YouTube and Instagram, TikTok. It is everywhere. And what it is you take pickles and you coat them in crushed up Cheetos. So I'm going to give that a try. I am, of course, the pickle lady. I love all things pickles. And I'm going to try that with garlic dill pickles that I made. And then I'm going to use these Peatos. They're not the original hot Cheeto that's used in the videos, but I don't really eat Cheetos, so I thought I would give this a try. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to put them in this Ziploc bag. No, I'm not sponsored by anybody except for myself. I paid for all this myself. And I'm going to put the Cheetos in here, or not the Cheetos, but the Peatos. Put them in here, mash them up. I'm going to take out a pickle or two. I'm going to drain them on a paper towel so they're not super wet. And then I'm going to coat the pickle in the crushed up Peatos. Alright, let's get to it. Okie dokie. Here is the crushed up Peatos, and here are my garlic dill pickles. And I'm going to dry these off a little bit more. And now I'm supposed to dip them in this mixture. And I already know it's not going to stick to the back. So that's what that looks like. I like that sound of the crushing Peatos under the pickle. Does that make me weird? Alright. What do y'all think of this? Do y'all think this is going to be good or what? Let me know. Okay, I normally would not want to eat on camera, but I'm going to take one for the team today. So I'm going to grab my garlic dill pickles that have crushed up Peatos and give it a try. Okay. So texture-wise, it's pretty cool. I like to have different textures when I eat food. So texture-wise, very cool. But really, if I'm going to be completely honest, you can't really taste it. You get the heat from it, but it's just, it's the vinegar in the pickle just really overpowers it. It's not bad. It's just, you really can't taste the Peato very much. You can feel the heat though from it. So that's kind of cool. It's like eating a hot, super crunchy garlic dill pickle. So I could see this being fun. I can see why kids like it. And I don't know, kind of neat little experiment. But I don't know if I would eat them like that all the time. So let me know in the comments below. Have you done this and what was your outcome? Could you actually taste the hot Cheetos or the hot Peatos, whatever you tried it with? I would like to try this with some Takis. I think that would be really good. Not too long ago, I posted on social media about eating a pickle mayo sandwich that had Takis on it, and a lot of you guys were like, oh my god, I gotta try that. So yeah, I want to try it on these pickles and see how that would be. Anyway, check you guys out later. Bye!